Hello YouTube, Gold and Silver Strength here, and today we'll be discussing whether or not Datadog stock is worth buying after the 2 days of 15+% retracement, and we'll be looking at the weekly and daily chart to see whether or not the price action movements are signaling you to buy the stock at a very good price. So let's look at the weekly chart right now. The stock it got into the market in 2019, so there's not much data to look at from the monthly standpoint. Yeah, this isn't very telling. So let us look at the weekly standpoint so that we can see what exactly this stock has been doing over the past couple of weeks. So right now, up until the dip in March 2020, it traded sideways, then it went up, and right now it is chopping sideways right now. If we do a Fibonacci retracement, from the lowest point in March down up to the highest point in July, we can see that it already retraced up to the 23% mark, and the 38% mark would be around $73. But really, anytime we have explosive movements up or down, you would either need to retrace sideways or go back in the other direction. Right now, it just broke through the 23% mark very easily. So it looks as though it might touch and bounce off the 38% mark, or it can continue down further. We don't know for sure with this drastic price action based off last Thursday's earnings call. So we'll just have to wait and see what time will tell based off the weekly chart. In the daily chart, we can look for certain price action support levels that you might want to do and figure out so that Datadog might be a buy at that level. So in the past, it was right here at around $81, but we seem to have broken that in Friday's trading day. So now, if we're looking at another point, you can see that there is another one right here at around 71.77. All around this area, there's another support. And then we have a final support here at 60 something, which is further down. So you can see that even with our price action analysis on the daily chart, it is very similar to that of the Fibonacci retracement at the 38% mark. 72, 73 is looking as though that's what Datadog might hit. If it does hit that, I do expect a retracement. But again, severe price actions down or up usually results in the opposite movement, going up or down, opposite of that of what the candle did. So if it went down this drastically, it could also go up this drastically. It could also consolidate sideways. That's also an option. And another question you might have is whether or not this couple months of upward bullish momentum is warranted for this drastic pullback. You've seen, like in most tech stocks, usually their bull run can last for months and years until a big boom wipes out a good percentage of the stock. You can see upwards of 75% if you looked at my Microsoft, if you look at my Apple stock video price analysis. Those stocks can lose upward up to 75% of their value in 1 to 2 years in their retracement. But followed by that, it would consolidate and then it would still go upward. Right now, this would be considered a minor retracement, but overall, this is very bullish for me. You can get it at a cheaper price if it does go down lower into the 73%, $73 per share area, the 38% retracement, or you can look at it in terms of this support line. Or if it even hovers around the mid 70s right now, it's still a great opportunity for people to load up on the stock and then have it bounce back up towards its highs right here. So overall, I'm very bullish for Datadog stock. Right now, this minor 2-day retracement doesn't signal to me to sell off. If anything, it's a hold or a continue to buy option right now. I'm confident if we look, let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, as shown in the daily chart, you can see that it was chopping sideways in between this range of 98 and its support here at 80. But right now it just plummeted below that support line. And now you see a huge doji right here with a long bottom tail. It's showing signs of being supported right here at 74, which supports our analysis of the support line from the price action candles in the daily chart and the Fibonacci retracement from the weekly chart. So overall, that would be a very good place to buy. You can definitely manage your risk by adjusting the size of your position. But overall, Datadog looks to have minimal risk right now and a total amount of upside up into the 90s, where it continues to test these highs and possibly even break them. And that'll conclude my price action analysis for Datadog. With only 1 year of data, there isn't much to cover in terms of long trends and what it did over the last decade compared to the last 2 to 5 years. We only have 1 year of data, and as I said earlier, it just went sideways for a little bit, and then after that, just skyrocketed upward. And right now we're looking at a small retracement, but really it's channeling sideways. So I hope this analysis helped you guys, and thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.